Welcome back, makers and DIY enthusiasts. Today we're diving into 10 new woodworking tools and accessories on Amazon that can make your project smoother, more precise, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. The Countersink drill bit is built to handle two jobs at once. It drills the pilot hole and shapes the countersink in a single step. The bit itself has a 3/8-inch countersink diameter with a 1/8-inch drill core. The shank is a 1/4-inch hex, so it locks into most hand drills and bench drills without slipping. The tip is carbide, which makes it tough enough for repeated use. The drill core is M2 steel with a gold coating that slows down wear. An adjustable depth stop keeps every hole consistent. You can set it shallow for screws that sit flush, or deeper if you want the screw hidden. A ball bearing on the stop reduces friction. That means no scratches, no burn marks, just a clean finish. It works with screw sizes 6 through 10 and can cut into wood, plywood, MDF, plastics, or even aluminum. Perfect for cabinets, frames, swings, and furniture. Number 2. Dowel Jig Kit. Doweling Guide Kit with removable drill guides. The Dowel Jig Kit is designed to make dowel joinery simple and precise. It helps align cabinet joints and other woodworking connections without the need for complicated measuring. The jig uses removable drill guides and a built-in centering system, so dowel holes line up accurately every time. The hardened steel drill guides provide durability and keep the bit straight as you drill. An alignment pin ensures repeatable results, which is especially useful when making multiple joints in a project. This consistency gives a professional finish, even in a home workshop. The jig is portable and versatile. It can be clamped to a bench top or used directly on a workpiece. It works well for cabinets, furniture, and general repairs. Because it is easy to set up and use, it suits both hobbyists and professional carpenters who want reliable dowel joints without extra effort. Number 3. Saker Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The Saker Thin Rip Jig is built for cutting narrow strips with accuracy and safety. Made from high-grade anodized aluminum alloy, it is CNC machined for stability and durability. The anti-corrosion finish reduces wood chatter, holds the workpiece firmly, and protects both your project and your fingers. It fits standard T-slot tables, including 3/8 by 3/4 inch and 1/4 by 3/8 inch tracks. That means it works with most table saws, router tables, and band saws, making it a versatile tool for any woodworking shop. The jig has a telescoping range from 2 inches to 8 to 1/2 inch, with both imperial and metric scales for precise measurement. A reinforced T-bar locks securely in place, preventing slippage during use. Engineered for accuracy down to 1/32 of an inch, it delivers repeatable cuts with minimal waste. The quick, tool-free adjustment system makes it easy to change cutting widths, saving time on high-volume or multi-size projects. Number 4. Preciva T-Bevel Gauge and Digital Protractor. The Preciva T-Bevel Gauge and Protractor is a precise tool for carpentry, woodworking, metalworking, and construction. It measures angles from 0 to 338 degrees, with accuracy down to a decimal point and a margin of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. The ruler is marked with 2 scales, so you don't need to convert results when switching between measurements. It features 3 large control buttons. A short press on the HR button locks the reading, while a long press reverses the value by 180 degrees. The other 2 buttons handle zeroing and power, making the tool simple to operate. The sliding T-bevel design lets you lock angles with the center knob and copy any angle from 0 to 328 degrees. It also makes it easy to set a perfect 45-degree angle. A large LCD display ensures clear readings, while horizontal and vertical bubbles help confirm level accuracy before tracing or cutting. The unit powers off automatically after a few minutes of inactivity and quickly reactivates when the scale is moved. Number 5. PowerTech Stackable Featherboards. The PowerTech Stackable Featherboards are designed to improve safety and accuracy when cutting on table saws, router tables, and bandsaws. This set includes a multifunctional featherboard, a washer, a 5-star knob, a T-bolt for T-track mounting, and a slide bracket with a flathead bolt for miter slot mounting. The unique stackable design allows you to secure multiple featherboards together for taller workpieces. This ensures consistent pressure without needing extra spacers or accessories. A dual mounting system makes the setup versatile. You can quickly switch between table saw miter slots and universal T-tracks, adapting the featherboard to different tools and projects. The angled fingers apply steady pressure to the workpiece. This prevents kickback and keeps cuts smooth and accurate. Made from durable, high-quality materials, the featherboard is built to withstand heavy use while delivering reliable performance across all your woodworking projects. Number 6. PowerTech Multifunctional Project Table with Wheels. The PowerTech Project Table is a portable workbench designed for versatility. It provides a sturdy surface for sanding, routing, cutting, and other woodworking tasks. The 3/4-inch bench dog hole pattern makes it compatible with a wide range of clamps and accessories, including PowerTech's own bench dog system. This workbench is both functional and mobile. It features a foldable design for easy storage and transport, with a built-in kickstand that allows vertical storage. Smooth rolling wheels and a convenient handle make it simple to move around the shop or take off-site. Stability is a key feature. The outward leg design, combined with a safety lock and self-leveling feet, ensures the table stays secure during use. The heavy-duty MDF tabletop adds durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working in your shop or on location, this table adapts to your needs. Its bench dog hole pattern provides compatibility with a variety of clamps and accessories, making it a versatile addition to any woodworking setup. Number 7. FastCap GlueBot Wood Glue Dispenser. The GlueBot from FastCap is a clever solution for applying wood glue or solvents without the usual mess. Unlike standard bottles, it feeds glue from the bottom. That means the tip doesn't clog or skin over, even after repeated use. When you squeeze out a line of glue and release pressure, the bottle creates suction that neatly finishes the bead. No drips, no wasted glue, and no sticky cleanup. This makes it especially useful for long glue lines or detailed woodworking projects. The 16-ounce size is practical for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. It's large enough for shop use, but still easy to handle. The dispenser comes with 2 interchangeable tips, a Yorker tip for controlled lines, and a blade-style tip for spreading glue evenly across surfaces. Simple, reliable, and drip-free, the GlueBot is a small tool that makes a big difference in everyday woodworking. Number 8. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set, 12 pieces. The EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set is designed for clean, precise drilling and professional finishes. Its unique 2-flute design eliminates chatter and produces smooth results. Compared to single-blade bits, these cut faster and handle larger or deeper countersinks with ease. This upgraded 12-piece set includes 5 countersink bits in sizes number 4, number 6, number 8, number 10, and number 12, along with 5 replaceable drill bits. It also comes with a 60mm magnetic extension holder, an Allen wrench, and a storage case to keep everything organized. Made from titanium-coated high-speed steel, the bits are strong and durable. The step chamfer blade reduces cutting resistance, extending tool life while maintaining accuracy. Each bit features sharp blades and an 82-degree countersink angle, delivering fast, clean pilot holes for a snug screw fit. With a 1/4-inch hex shank, they are compatible with impact drills, hand drills, bench drills, and electric drills. Adjustable depth settings make them versatile for different wood thicknesses, though extended use on hardwood is not recommended. Number 9. Sunolf Pro Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder. The Sunolf Pro Mini Square is a compact but rugged measuring tool built for precision. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it weighs just 2.3 ounces. That makes it light enough to carry in your pocket, yet tough enough to handle the demands of the job site. This small square is perfect for checking squareness on table saws, miter saws, router tables, and more. Whether you're a professional or a weekend woodworker, it quickly becomes an essential part of your kit. It includes 4 precision pins that let you mark center lines on both edges of your material in seconds. No guesswork, just fast and accurate layout every time. You can also find the exact center of a circle with ease. Draw 2 lines across the diameter, and their intersection marks the center. The blade edge is offset slightly to account for pencil thickness, giving pinpoint accuracy. The center marking hole is designed to fit most pencils and fine tip markers, making it practical and versatile for everyday woodworking tasks. Number 10. ECY cabinet clamps. The ECY cabinet clamps are designed to make cabinet face frame installation faster, easier, and more precise. Built from anodized aluminum alloy, they feature sliding T-bars with precision threads that adjust from 2 inches to 3 to 7/8 of an inch. This secures cabinet face frames without slipping, while the oxidation-treated alloy resists rust. An aluminum alignment plate keeps stiles stable during tightening. The clamps include an upgraded drill guide system. Once locked in place, the guide allows accurate pilot holes without repositioning. It works with 1/8 inch or 3/16 inch drill bits, making it efficient for cabinetry projects. Scratch-proof felt pads cushion the clamp faces and alignment plate, protecting finishes from marks. With a 440-pound grip, the clamps hold stiles securely while adhesive pads protect delicate surfaces. This professional kit includes 2 clamps for top and bottom positioning, a sturdy storage case, installation hardware, and a user manual. The silky T-bar rotation allows micro adjustments, giving craftsmen precise control. Portable, durable, and user-friendly, these clamps are ideal for both woodworking shops and DIY cabinet projects.